All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in. For today's topic of the day, we will be discussing customizing your Outlook signature. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are aware of your Outlook signature, adding it to add that extra flair and also to let your email recipients know who their email is coming from. Now, a lot of people take a lot of pride in their Outlook signature, as do I, and I want to show you the quick and easy tips and tricks that you can, make yours stand out from the rest of them. So to go ahead and start this, guys, just go ahead and open up your Outlook. So open up your Outlook desktop application. After you've opened it up, there are multiple ways in which you can edit your signature. The first and easy way is just to click on New Email. After you've clicked on that, you can go ahead and select Signature and then select Signatures. Here you'll be able to create a new signature and edit it within this window. Another way in which you can do it is to close this and select File, go to Options, Mail. Of course, this is a little bit different and it has a lot more different options you can do to customize your settings, but you can also find it here by selecting Signatures within Mail. Now, once you're in this window, whether or not you got it through accessing it through the new email or you accessed it through File, Options, and then selecting Mail and then Signatures, it does not matter. Once you're here, they will apply across the board. First thing I want to do is create the new email signature. So name it whatever you may. In this case, I'm going to create it and name it Demo Signature. Okay, you could have multiple email signatures. It will allow you to select them whenever you go to the signature bar in the new email. It'll let you select which signature you want. In some cases, you can automatically have it to set to a default signature just by selecting New Email, which I'll show you guys how to do as well. So after you've gone and created the new demo signature for, created your signature, named it whatever you may, you can set it for a default signature for your new emails or your replies. In this case, I'm gonna say, okay, I wanna set that whatever signature I use, whenever I select new email up here, it will automatically populate with my signature. If I reply to anybody's email or forward anybody's email, it'll automatically have my signature in there. You don't have to do this, but this makes it a little bit easier because you tend to add your signature regardless. If you don't have this already added in your signature, I recommend that you start doing it just to save you some time. Now, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and start customizing your signature. A lot of you will already have a signature done and customized, so here you just want to be adding some extra touches. Now I'm going to go and grab a default here. Bless me, sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to grab a default signature here that I'm going to be using. It's going to be simple. The name here you can change to, of course, you set to your name. I have it set to a specific font, so you would highlight it and you can set it to whatever font you want. If you just want yours to be a little bit different from what your actual name is, you just want it to stand out from the rest of the information. Of course, our business is Infotech Design Solutions, so I'll include that in there. You can also include like your company number, or just a contact number, company address, or personal address. You can include those things there. And you can edit the font, edit the text however you want. You want to make it bigger, bold some things, highlight some things, things of that nature. Increase the size like I have done for the name of the actual the head of the signature, that being the demo user. Now here's where things get a little bit interesting. I like to add a image to my signature. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the image that I'll be using today. I'm going to open this up, and this is our Infotech logo. You can use your company logo. Just going to want to open it up, save it on your computer, have it saved somewhere that you can access it, open it, you can copy it, and then go back to your signature and right click and then paste the image in there. Now I'm not done yet. I'm going to go the extra mile to make this even more unique. Now, one thing that I really like to do is add a link to that image. So if you do have a company website, you can link to your website within that image. That means if anybody hovers over the image in your signature, they will be able to be redirected and they can click on it and be redirected to your company's website, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. So the easy way to do that is once you're in this same signature creation box, window, you're going to select the image. Make sure it's highlighted. You'll see all the ability to expand, minimize, things of that nature. Once you see that, click on this link right here, this button, sorry. When you click on this button, you'll come up with the option to add an existing file or web page. This is the one you're going to want to add to. You're going to want to select. So make sure this is selected and then add the address for your company's website or whatever the picture is related to. Even if it's, maybe your Facebook page, you have a picture of the Facebook icon, like the F icon. You can go ahead, throw that image in there, and then go to your specific Facebook page that you have and add and select the picture the same way. Go to that world with the link there, select existing file or web page, and paste the exact link to your specific Facebook page. Now in this case, I'm going to put in our company website, infotechdesign.com. Once I've done that, click OK, and then we're done. Click OK, click OK, simple. Now that we've set it so that the default signature will appear for new emails and replies, as soon as I click new email, it'll automatically populate with my signature. And what's cool about this is that you see where it says control click. If I control and then click on this image, it'll open up our website. Simple, easy to use. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever we are going live each and every single weekday, offering free IT advice and help from 12 p.m. until 4 p.m. Also so that you can get notified whenever we upload any new tutorial videos, simple as these. If you guys have any questions, once again, don't forget to shoot us a comment, like the video, let us know what you thought, and thank you for checking us out.